Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Fidelity's college saving tool. All right, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's college saving tool, this video is for you. It's gonna be a quick one. I'm just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you got to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can do so online on the website, or you can choose to log in on the mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on college planning, and then you're going to click on college savings. Now there you can browse the college saving tools that are available. You got calculators, planners, and whatnot, and you can use these tools to create a college savings plan. You can also manage your college savings documents, as well as update your college saving plans as needed in the future. You can also use the college saving tool to stay properly organized. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's college savings tools. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next